Hi. In this video, we will see how to use the advanced flash fill in Microsoft Excel. I have written the days of the week in this column. Now what I want is, the first letter of each day should be displayed in the next column. So the first letter of Monday is M, of Tuesday is T, of Wednesday is W, and so on. Let's see how to do that using advanced flash fill functionality. I will just write M in the first cell here. Click the next cell below. And then, I will just press Ctrl E on the keyboard. And there you go, all the first letters of each day got automatically written in the cells below. This is the advanced flash fill. Let's see some more examples. Now instead of just one letter, I want the first 3 letters of each day to be printed in the column. So what I will do is, I will simply write the first 3 letters of the Monday in this cell. That is MON. Click the next cell below. And then press Ctrl E on the keyboard. Magic! The first 3 letters of all the days got written in the column automatically. Let's see some complex examples. Now I want the last 4 letters of each day to be printed in the column. So the last 4 letters of Monday are NDAY. The last 4 letters of Tuesday are SDAY. And so on. Let's try it. I will write NDAY in this cell. Then click the cell below. And now press Ctrl E on the keyboard. Oops. Something's wrong. Instead of printing the last 4 letters of the day, Excel prints all the letters from the 3rd letter of the word. That's not right. This happens because the advanced flash fill functionality sometimes does not clearly understand what rules you are trying to tell. So initially, instead of writing the criteria in only one cell, we should write at least in 2 cells. Let's see how. First I will remove all this wrong data. Then I will write NDAY in this cell. And SDAY in this cell. Now Excel will understand what we are trying to do as it has 2 examples to look at. Then I will click the cell below. And press Ctrl E on the keyboard. And there you go, now the result is correct. The last 4 letters of each day have been printed in this column. I hope you are getting it. Now let's see even more complex things. Here I have written data like A-100, B-500, etc. What I want is, I want only the numbers of these cells to be printed in the next column. So only 100, 500, 306, etc. should be printed. Let's see how. First I will write 100 in this cell. Then click this cell below. And now press Ctrl E on the keyboard. Great! Right? We got only the numbers from this column. Now let's see some more. Here, I have data in 2 separate columns. In one column I have A1, B1, C1, etc. And in the other column, I have A2, B2, C2, etc. What I want is, in the 3rd column, the data should be written like A1-A2, B1-B2, etc. Let's see how to do that. First, I will write A1-A2 in the first cell. Click the cell below. And then press Ctrl E on the keyboard. And there you go. The result is as we wanted. So that's it. That's how you can use advanced flash fill functionality in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.